We're going to give you a little drone trip of the beach south, about 40 minutes south of Cancun. We love going to Cabo and San Jose, but the beach is down on the side in Playa. The sand is white sand, and it's like the texture of talcum. And you can see as you fly along here um, how beautiful the beaches are. To the right, you can see, I think they call it low jungle that surrounds the beach. And we stayed at the Secrets Capri, and pretty much from the Secrets down south to Playa del Carmen, you can walk. It's about 10 kilometers to walk, or a little more, so it's a bit of a good walk. But the beaches are like that all the way between our resort and Playa. A little bit north of us towards Cancun, there were a couple beaches that were kind of filled with shells or coral, but south of us, the beaches were just amazing. This is actually the Secrets Capri on the left, where we stayed, in case any of you want to check it out. It's a beautiful resort with beautiful Spanish architecture.